Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video, it was Nancy and I wanted to get in my customized box for FabFitFun. So if you guys don't know what FabFitFun is, it's a lifestyle quarterly box that is $49.99. You can get a discount by doing it yearly or getting the annual subscription. For those that don't know, I am not sponsored. I have no affiliation. I pay for all of this out of my own pocket. But I do have some links down below for different boxes if you guys are interested in my subscription boxes that I have links to. So they're down there. A lot of the different companies will put links in there so that you can get a discount, and then I get like free credit when I go buy stuff. And I buy a lot of stuff from them, so yeah. Anyway, so this is my customized box. This is the box that I got to customize. And I'll link up there the uncustomized box, which I got for $10 cheaper, and didn't get to choose anything, so that you guys can see what it was compared to this. Now, this box, like I said in my previous video, they've changed up the box, so it usually feels more fall or themed. This one doesn't feel, I guess it does a little bit now that I'm looking at it a bit more. Like, it's got some fruits and things on here that could be interpreted as more like a fall. You've got like a squash. Another thing, I think in my last video I said, oh, well, flowers, it feels kind of wrong for fall. But now that I'm looking at it more, it definitely has like some of that fall themed plants on there. They went to a different style of box where it's supposed to be more sustainable, and I'm a-okay with that. So let's get into this box and go through all of this, and there'll be a lot of repeats. So yes, we're gonna go over this here. So they always give you some coupons. There's a HelloFresh coupon, there's a Bright Sellers coupon, there is a coupon for $15 off your first FabFitFun box. First person that wants this code, go for it, you have it. All right, so let's dive into this box in the first category. So the first category was a huge category that everyone got to pick, and these are all the items in here. In my uncustomized box, I got the Uncommon James canisters, which were really, really nice. But in my own personal one, I actually picked the Boddicker New York Bold Totes because I need a new work tote. My work tote is falling apart. Now, I will tell you, first thing off, just looking at this is a little bit smaller than I was expecting this tote to be. I don't know why. I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger. But let's just dive into this box or bag and see what we think. Now, this was supposed to be, I believe, a nylon bag with some vegan leather accents. So that's what it looks like. It's just a black box. Now, this is really sad. This got bent. So in the bottom of your bags, you usually have some sort of insert to flatten it out. And mine just got bent like crazy in my box. And I don't know if that was just a shipping thing, but mine is like super warped. Eventually that'll get worn where it's not a big deal. But right now it's just kind of janky and makes you feel like it's the cheapest cardboard in there. So that's kind of sad. Inside the box is just kind of a linen, or I keep saying box. Inside the bag is kind of just like a linen type of interior. It's okay. This is supposed to be worth $128. This is the most expensive item. I can tell you this is not a $128 item. I wouldn't pay for that. They have this little zipper detailing that really doesn't do anything. Sometimes zipper detailing on the outside like this will allow you to expand the bag. That definitely doesn't do that. This also has one zipper pocket on the inside here that's pretty decent size, and then two little hand-woven pockets in here. This will be perfect for work, but I can tell you this bag is kind of chintzy feeling compared to what I would expect it to be. Like, I'm less impressed with this bag than I thought I would be, and part of it is just the fact that the bottom is just so messed up. I don't even know how it got that messed up. But anyway, that is that bag. It's okay. I liked my first item from my uncustomized a little bit better. All right, next was the one where you could get these items here. So you could get the scarf, the Dr. Dennis, Erna Laszlo, this scarf, which I got, which is really nice, or the celery Volition cream. So I got the... where is it in here? What did I get in this category? That I got to a... What did I get? Oh, I got this. That's what it is. The epilator. So, or not the epilator. This is a hair removal device. So I thought it was an epilator. A lot of you guys came out and said, no, it's not an epilator. I was looking up this company. It doesn't have a lot of reviews on it, but it's supposed to be a slightly different style than an epilator, like more like a shaver versus a shaver laser type thing. I don't know. They've made some weird claims on the website for this. So anyway, I needed like a little spot shaver. I figured might as well get it in this and see how I like it. It does come with a battery. This is what the shaver looks like. It feels okay. It's nothing fancy. Let me see if I can get... Okay. This feels really kind of interesting. So I was trying to take it apart to put the products in here, and I completely took apart the blades in there. Not at all like what I wanted to do. This is really... Okay. This comes apart really easily, so be careful about that for anyone that gets this, to put it all together, because that just can totally fall apart on you. So this definitely does not feel super sturdy to me. I'm not impressed by the quality of this, but let's see how it works. So this is worth $59.99. So this is kind of mid-range for this. It's really noisy. Oh, it's not painful. Okay, we're gonna see and test this little spot. I don't have dark hair. It's not bad. It is working. It's hard to tell. So it literally is like a little shavy device, but it is working. I have very fine hair. But yeah, it seems to be working, so I'll give it a good try, but definitely be careful. The head of this comes apart pretty easily, I'm sure, so you can clean it, but like I literally barely have to touch it and it can pop off. So that is something to know. It does come with a little brush that you can clean it out, and it does come with little instructions on what to do with it and everything. So yeah, it's half in French, but I think that's about it. So that is that. That's okay. I don't hate this device. It's something I needed. So that is that. All right, next category is the 3B, which everybody gets to choose. It was the Jenny Bird cuff, the Jenny Bird pendant, the Vitamask mask, or the Nectar sunglasses. So you could get that. You could get the necklace, the cuff, or the glasses. Now, I was hoping in my last box I'd get something different than the one I picked out, but I picked out the Jenny Bird necklace because it's really pretty. So the Jenny Bird necklace I have, I will be giving away to somebody. But let me pull this one out to show you guys a little bit better about this necklace. It feels nice and heavy and solid. This is supposed to be worth $115, which again, probably overpriced for what it is. It comes super tangled up. That's the only bad thing about this. Let me get this untangled here. So it is a double layered necklace there. Super pretty. Let me get the plastic off of the pendant here. This feels nice and heavy. Like, this definitely doesn't feel cheap. I don't think this feels like a $115 necklace, but it probably feels like a $30 necklace. So this is what the necklace looks like. I need to look up what this is made out of. It is probably plated something like rhodium or one of those other products, but this is what it looks like. It has one of those little clasps here. I don't see any silver stamps or anything, so I really do think this is probably plated rhodium if I had my guess, but it's very pretty. And the length is good, so I am happy with it. But it is not worth $115. Unfortunately, this is a repeat item for me, but I am happy with the item. All right, next category is the one that if you were a select member, you could choose. And so there was the option of the mason jar. You could get the Naked Scrub, the So Rich Sriracha nail cream, of the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel, or the whipped cleanser. So spoiler alert, I got the bottle already, but I had everything else from previous boxes. So I figured whatever I was going to get was a repeat. So I got a second one of the bottles, and I'm not going to open this bottle because I am probably going to give this bottle away to somebody, maybe as a Christmas gift. So let me show you guys what my other bottle looks like for those that are interested in seeing. So this is what the mason jar looks like. It is hand wash only. It is glass jar inside, and this is a neoprene cover. So that becomes a little bit difficult if you want to get it out and clean it. This neoprene cover seems like it'd be a bit of a pain to get off. Has a little screw top with a plastic lid, which I guess kind of negates a little bit of trying to stay away from plastic, but it seems pretty easy to use. And it has a little flip top here. So feels nice and sturdy. I'm very happy with this box, but like I said, I have two, so I'll probably give one away as a gift at Christmas time. So the next category is a 5, which is like the hair oil, the cutlery. I think I said the sriracha was in it, but it's actually in this category. And then the hair clips. So I had gotten the cutlery in the previous one, which I'm okay getting 2 sets of this because it's always good to have cutlery sets around when you travel and picnic. We do a lot of hiking and picnicking, so things like this are actually really handy. So you've got the little cutlery set. These feel very firm. This is a wheat product byproduct is what they said. So it's good for the environment, and it's machine washable. So very happy with that item. Cannot complain about that. Yeah, so that's that. So next item here is in the category 6A, which is the one that they picked for you. And so you could have gotten a Spongelli, a Laundress, a crease release, or the Vosh pedicure box in pumpkin spice. Okay, so that would be that, or that. Now I got the Vosh pedicure in a box in my uncustomized. I got the Laundress, a crease release in this box, which I'm actually really excited to try this because it'd be nice to have this. I do not iron, so having something that could potentially de-wrinkle some items would be good. So this item here is $16. All right, and then the next item here is the next category, which is 7A, which also they picked for you. So you could get the hair repair mask, the Hythe Tranquility Sleep Mist, or there were 2 different room sprays. I was kind of hoping for the room sprays. I got the hair mask in my uncustomized, but this one I got the sleep mist. And this is something I am totally okay with because I love different sleep mists. I usually use the It's Works sleep mist, but let's see. No, that one smells a little bit different. I'm just going to spray a little bit and see. Yeah, it definitely has a lavender. So most spray mists, if you don't know this, have lavender. It's supposed to be very calming. It's supposed to help you sleep. This has witch hazel, lavender oil, and rice water. Very simple products in here, but I'm a big fan of this kind of stuff. I will definitely use this up. So not unhappy with this product, and that one is $22. There was also a, the other mists were like $36. All right, the final product is another repeat for me, and if somebody else gets one of the other 2 items in this category, I'd love to know. There was supposed to be like a shower gel, which I would have loved to get by Beauty Pepper Golden shower gel, or there was a pouch with stripes, or the Beauty Crop Glow Milk. So I got a Glow Milk. I have another Glow Milk. I won't use the Glow Milk. So some lucky people are going to get some Glow Milk. But yeah, I got the Glow Milk as my extra item in my box. So overall, my box was okay. Useful. Definitely some items I like. The epilator, or not the epilator, but the shaver actually isn't bad. The bag I'm kind of super disappointed with, I'll be honest. And definitely some repeat items that in and of themselves I'm happy to get. Sad that I kind of got repeat items, but not their fault because like I said, the uncustomized box is really literally an uncustomized box, which I don't think they take into account what you've gotten before. So if I take it in and of that self, yeah, I am disappointed in the box or the bag, and I'm disappointed in the Glow Milk, but everything else is really good in this box. Of the 2 boxes, I actually think my uncustomized box was a little bit better, which is kind of surprising. And the reason I think it's a little bit better is that I think the quality of the scarf and I think the quality of the canisters are a little bit nicer than the quality of the epilator or the shaver. I keep saying epilator. The quality of the shaver and the quality of the bag. Those two items just seem really flimsy and chintzy to me. The other ones are just a nicer quality. So it feels like a bigger bang for my buck on the uncustomized one, although I picked these items. I think the bag was a super letdown, which is a shame. And it's like such hit or miss with FabFitFun and their bags. Like some bags, like the one we got for summer, was awesome. And I use that bag all the time and I love it. And then some bags, like that one, or there was another bag we got a couple of seasons back, I was just not super impressed with. And it just really depends. Some of these companies, I feel like, downgrade their quality of their bag but keep the name, and you can tell they downgraded it. Now, I will start using that bag. I got to switch out my work bag, which is falling apart. That will become my new de facto bag for work. I'll let you guys know how it wears and tears. Sometimes I change my mind as I start taking things to work, but I just don't know about that. So anyway, guys, that is my customized box. This season, it was my uncustomized box that won, which is not usually the case, but that's okay. All right, guys, tell me what you think. I will see you later. Bye.